Hallo und herzlich willkommen to Sprich mal Deutsch. So today we will be learning how to conjugate the two important verbs in German, that is haben, which means to have, and sein, that is to be. So first let us see the conjugation of the verb haben and check out some examples. So here is how to conjugate the verb haben. Ich habe, I have. Du hast, you have. Sie, es hat. He, she, it has. Wir haben, we have. Ihr habt, you all have. Sie haben. They or the formal you have. So here Sie with capital S represents the polite form of you. So now let us check some examples using the verb haben. Hallo Nina. Hallo Gregor. Ich habe dein Buch. Hallo Nina. Hallo Gregor. I have your book. Du hast ein Auto. Oh, you have a car. Hat Geld. He has money. Sie hat eine Katze. She has a cat. Das ist mein Haus. Es hat 2 Zimmer. That is my house. It has 2 rooms. Wir haben Spaß. We are having fun. Ihr habt das Gepäck. You all are having luggage. Sie haben graue Haare. You are having grey hairs. Sie haben das Abendessen. They are having dinner. Now here is how to conjugate the verb sein, that is to be. Ich bin, I am. Du bist, you are. Sie, es ist. He, she, it is. Wir sind, we are. Ihr seid, you all are. Sie sind. They or formal you are. And now the examples using the verb sein. Ich bin Olaf. I'm Olaf. Wer bist du? Who are you? Ist Arzt. He is doctor. Sie ist krank. She is sick. Es ist laut. It is loud. Wir sind glücklich. We are happy. Ihr seid müde. You all are tired. Sie sind aus Deutschland. They are from Germany. Sie sind alt. You're old. So that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. In the comment section below, frame a sentence in German mentioning your name. For example, Ich bin Nikita. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, tschüss and hab Spaß!